So it says this graph represents a quadratic function. And then it says which expression is a factor of the equation of the function's equation. Well, where does it cross the x-axis? So remember that a factor is also called a root to some degree, or the solution is a root, which is also called the zero, which is also associated with the x-intercept. All these, if you see any one of these terms, they're associated. In other words, at this point right here, when x equals 4, y equals 0. So think in terms like this. In factored form, we have x plus a number p times the quantity x minus or plus q. And then when we go to factor and solve that, we set it equal to 0 and we get this. X plus p times x plus q. There's numbers for p and q. And then when we go to solve, we say that x plus p equals 0 and x plus q have to equal 0. Why? Because we want it to equal 0. So 0 times 0 equals 0. And then we solve and we say that x equals negative p and x equals negative q. Okay? Yeah, in just a sec. But that's based on when y equals 0. So if I'm told x equals 4, right? In other words, if I'm told that x equals 4 when y equals 0, because this is the point 4 comma 0, then I just work backwards. I subtract 4 from both sides, and I get x minus 4 is equal to 0. Hey, guess what? That's a factor, right? So the factor of this is x minus 4.